Hello everyone, we are thrilled to introduce Rocket, a smart kitchen company, a mobile application designed to transform the way you manage your kitchen and plan your meals. The modern kitchen faces a dual challenge, maximizing elastic resources while simplifying the daily decision of what to cook. Chef Rocket bridges this gap by providing an intelligent and convenient platform that turns available ingredients for the fresh groceries of leftover into personalized recipe suggestions. This project was developed under the experts solution of technology Sudiana by a dedicated team of inventors, Azra, Nuranga, Ridaya, Sabrina, and Ardi.
Next is the objective of our Chef Pocket Smart Kitchen Companions. So the first objective is implementation of AI-based food recognition that allow users to upload image of their kitchen ingredients for automated recognition. Secondly is generates personalized recipe suggestions based on the available food items and leftovers. Third, integrates retailer collaboration features that enable supermarkets to list and offer their expiration products for users to buy. And fourth, design a smart kiosk system with QR code integration in partner supermarkets to enhance in-store user engagement. And lastly, encourage environmentally responsible habits by reducing leftovers and food waste and supporting eco-conscious consumer decisions. For the development of our Chef Pocket, we apply the mobile application development lifecycle research methodology. So the first one is identification phase. We define key problems, conduct research and gather requirements. Second is design phase, which we prepare and design prototype for review. Third is development phase, which we develop the mobile user interface. Next is the prototyping phase. We integrate all main features into a working prototype. Next is testing phase. We perform a complete testing cycle to ensure the functionality. Next is deployment phase. We provide application documentation and user guides. And lastly is maintenance phase. We monitor product performance and also fix and enhance the features.
In today's fast-paced world, we face a significant issue with food waste, both in our home, where ingredients are often forgotten until they spoil, and in the supermarket, they are forced to discard unsold and nearly expired goods. Current apps don't fully address this, which is why we are proposing an intelligent AI-powered mobile application that manages your kitchen inventory and connect you to local retail. By automatically recognizing your food expiry date, suggesting recipe based on the ingredient you actually have, and alerting you to the discount item at nearby store, this app not only simplifies meal planning and save your money, but also promotes sustainable habits aligned with the global goals of zero hunger and responsible consumption.
Pockets secure economic impact on saving customer 10 to 50% in bills when they buy groceries through inexpensive near expiry reservation, and assist supermarket in avoiding loss of unused product and establishing a successful business in a multi-billion-dollar waste food industry. As a company, it promotes sustainability and aid in the green movement while establishing a loyal client base and further cementing ourselves as an environmentally friendly leader. Thus, the discount keeps users more involved and earn money stream in the brand partnership that discover the app fun and profitable.
So next, as for the innovation highlights of our projects. So basically, our Chef Pocket stands out with several cutting-edge innovations. So the first one, we use AI-powered vision, which is we use AI image recognition to automate the inventory logging by eliminating the need for manual data entry common in the traditional apps. And the second one, we use a recipe intelligence, which is the systems prioritizes the recipe specifications based on the agencies of near expiry items in the user's pantry. And the third one, we use a retail to home ecosystem. It creates a real-time connections between the user's pantries and the supermarket inventory by prioritizing the near expiry items to benefit both consumers and the retailers. And the last one, we use a leftover tracker. We designed it to track and manage the leftover food items by providing notifications prior to expirations. So this functionality can reduce the household food waste.
This diagram outlines the technical architecture for the Chef Pocket application. It starts here at the top with the mobile apps. Users interact with the interface to upload photo of their ingredient. This data is sent securely to the cloud. The central entry point is the Cloud API Gateway. This acts as a traffic controller, routing the data to the two main branches. On the left, we have the AI surface. This processes the image to recognize food items and detect expiry date. That data flows down to the application backend, which handles user management and runs the logic to generate recipe. Meanwhile, the raw photos are archived in cloud object storage at the bottom. On the right side, the gateway connects to the retail partner gateway. This pulls real-time data from the supermarket regarding near expiry stock and discount. This structured data along with the user profile and the recipe library is stored in the cloud data. Finally, wrapping the entire infrastructure is our monitoring and security layer. This includes firewall and logging system to ensure all user data remains secure and the system stays stable. In short, this architecture efficiently connects user input with AI and retailer data to deliver instant results.
Now let's jump into the mobile prototype. This is the first screen the user sees when opening the Chef Pocket apps. So let's start our cooking journey. This is the main navigation screen. User can quickly choose what they want to do when they scan what is in their fridge or kitchen, look at recipes they have saved, build their shopping list, check deals or track waste. So the first one, let's say we scan the ingredients. This screen is for users to capture the ingredients. A camera icon is placed in the center of the preview area to initiate the scanning. There's also an option for users to scan the ingredients from their gallery. Next, the Chef Pocket AI quickly analyzes the image and in seconds it accurately detects what ingredient you have. You can even add the purchase date for each item to help track freshness later. Once your ingredients are detected, just tap recipe specifications to see personalized meals you can make and it will go to here, which allow users to browse, search and select available recipes in the app. Next, when you choose the recipe you want to make, it will show us the ingredients needed and step-by-step numbered instruction with subpoints to make it easier for users to understand the instructions. There's also a feature missing ingredients alerts with find button for users to locate in stores. This screen will display a list of local supermarkets, allowing the users to select a store they want to buy the ingredients. So let's say we want to find the ingredient on Tesco that provide the near expiry products. The screen will show us the near expiry date on the product, original price and the discounted price they offered. Add to cart button, allowing the user to add the discounted product to their online shopping basket.
Next, we have the Save Recipe screen. So this is the screen where users access the collection of recipe they have bookmarked for a quick access. At the top, we include a search bar so user can quickly find specific recipe by typing the name. Below that, the recipe are displayed on clear card. Each card shows illustration, the recipe name and the prep time. For example, 5 minutes for the sandwich. Finally, the bookmark icon on each card allows the user to easily manage or remove items from their save list.
If user want to check back the list of items or ingredients that they have to purchase at supermarkets to cook a recipe, in this dashboard screen, they have to go to the shopping list here and it will go straight to the shopping list screen. In this screen, it will display the specific supermarkets that offer near expiry products with discounted prices and it will list the ingredients or items that user have to purchase.
So let's see the recommend deals. This is the product detail screen designed specifically for near expiry items. Starting at the top, users have icon to save the item for later and share the deal with friends. In the center, we prioritize transparency. This red box clearly highlights the expiry date so the user knows exactly how much time spent left for the item. Below that, we show the price breakdown. We emphasize the discount price against the original price to show the immediate saving. Finally, the add to the cart button. So this button is placed at the bottom for a quick and easy purchase.
If user want to trace the waste, specifically groceries in their kitchen and leftovers in their fridge, so in this dashboard screen, the user have to go to this waste tracker and it will go straight to the grocery screen. So as user can see, this is all the expired of the groceries that they have in their kitchen. So if user want to add their new groceries, they can click on this plus button to add their new groceries. So up here is the most near expiry ingredients, and this chart pocket will remind the user to use these items or ingredients for user to cook quickly. So for the leftovers in their fridge, the user can click leftovers down here to go to the leftovers screen. Same with grocery screen, the user can add their new leftovers in their fridge by clicking this plus button. And up here is the most food that will goes bad. So this chat pocket will remind the user that food in or leftovers in their fridge will goes bad. So I think that's all from chat pocket. Bye!
To wrap things up, Chef Pocket is more than just an inventory tool. It's a smart solution designed to help people waste less food and save more money. By making daily cooking easier and cutting household costs, we help store clear stock and fight food waste, all within one user-friendly app. With the global shift towards sustainability, Chef Pocket is a practical tool that creates a real impact for families, retailers, and the planet. Through our strategic partnership and premium feature, we are proving that going green can also be profitable.